Here is why I think the Apple Vision Pro is a fail. Undoubtedly, the most hyped product of 2024 has been the Apple Vision Pro, because prior to its release, the media was so hyped about this product. And even when it got released, there was review left, right, center all over social media, but all that hype lasted barely for 2 weeks. Why it lasted 2 weeks, I don't know, but here's my guess. You see, after 3 months of the Apple Vision Pro release, people started understanding that this couldn't do the simplest things you want to do with your AR headset. Unlike other products that cost so much, the Apple Vision Pro isn't all that productive. For a $4,000 product, how many times will you use it? As compared to your iPhone, that is about $1,000. The iPhone costs so much, but you use it every day of your life, so it is so productive to you. But for the Apple Vision Pro, it's simply not on the same level. Something that costs $4,000 can't help you do simple things correctly, and also you can't use it anytime, any day. And lastly, what is the battery doing there? Meta Quest 3 sounds better and cheaper than this. For me, it's either Apple really failed on this or they have a master plan. Otherwise,